Hey y'all, iRick Guy here, and within this video I'm going to explain how to change the battery in a Lincoln key fob. Now this is an MKX, but the same or similar procedure will probably work for others. So the first thing you're going to need is a tool, something with a little flat head. If you need to find one like I use, and then also the batteries like I'm using, expand this video's description and I posted links to everything there. First thing you're going to want to do is push this down gently. You just got to kind of depress it there. And then once you do, see I kind of put it under the end, this will separate. Now when you open this, you're probably like, oh man, there's nothing in there. There's nothing in there, man. What do I do? Well, what you do is this. You use the same little small screwdriver doohickey. And you got to find a way to get, I think it may be on this side here. Let's see. Ultimately, yeah. See, so I kind of did it in the corner there just to re-demonstrate. I put it in the corner, and when I did, it allowed this to separate. Now, this is where you can mess it up, man. This is where you can mess it up. So there's not one battery, there's two batteries. Now keep in mind, this battery that's here is going to face us. So it's going to be up. So this is the bad battery. We're going to take... use this little screwdriver and gently pry it out. And again, remember, it faces up. Ooh, it's got leakage. Ooh. Okay, so I threw that one away. So remember, that one was facing up. Now, there's another one in here. But before we get to that, let's pop our new batteries out. So these are the batteries that are fresh. You don't want to mix them up because you go to the time, take this stuff apart, and then you put your old battery back in, you're a fool. Okay, so I got my two new batteries out. And again, there's a second old battery in here. So to lift this up, what you do with your little screwdriver is just gently lift up on this. It's kind of like a paper piece. Now notice this battery underneath is facing the opposite direction. So the flat part's going to be up. So now I'm disposing of the second old battery. We're going to insert the first new battery. Again, paying attention to the direction. You can notice the flat part is up. Then you push that back down. And then our second new battery, good battery, the flat part will be down. So see, that's how that's in there. Now, what we can do is get this little piece right here, man. Now, you want to make sure you're putting it in the correct... oops. Hey, that stuff can fall out, man. So if it does, just make sure your orientation is correct. So push that little piece back in. Something to kind of identify it. See this little chip? It goes over that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to gently push this over. And now we're going to just kind of position this. Let's see, it should snap here. Yeah, you just kind of got to feel your way around here. Okay, there goes the car. I can hear the car horn honking, so it's definitely in there. Let me turn the alarm off again, okay. So once that's snapped in, then you can get this final piece. Now it's got a little groove here. So see, there's a groove on the part that goes towards the keychain, if you got it on a keychain. So push that in the groove first and then snap this down. But don't just snap it down securely so it clicks. And see, now there's not a visible seam. And that's how to replace. And it works. So I just set off the car alarm. That's how to replace the battery in a Lincoln key fob. Hope this video helped. Again, if it did, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Feel free to become a channel member. And if you're shopping for the batteries to replace, please expand this link and order the batteries there. And then also, if you're looking for the little screwdriver tool like I used, I've linked it within this video's description too. Thanks for your support, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IRIX Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIX Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.